anyị ọ bụrụ ọsọ m ya akpanya bụ nkata mụ na Mayor nọ n'ụlọ n'efifie a nke a bụ nke efifie Mayor ka email anyị na-ama na-eji akwa ma na-eji ka a na-ekwu anyị na-ama na-eji ya bụ ife anyị na-ama na-eji ya bụ ife anyị nọ ọ na-abụ ekwute ife gbasalụ politics Nigeria oge ụfọdụ ịna-anya ọ bụrụ na ịbụ onye na-ekwu eziokwu efu na ọ na-adị adị ka nnụnụ eji ife wee kpachasịa nku ike adị adịzi ya ịghọtago ọ bụrụ ya bụ nke ndị oyibo na-akpọ demoralization anyị na-enotisi na ọbịago bịa jidebe ndị be anyị aka ị na-erume ya anya ọ dịsọrọ ka ọ dịsọ mana anyị ya na-ama na-eji maka na ime atakwanụ mụ ndị be anyị maka na ụbọchị ọbụla itete agwa ha anyị ofu ihe ụbọchị ọbụla itete achọghị ofu ihe ha ya eme anyị ịghọtago last week bụ fiel bụ ife adụrọ n'Enugu ọkwa ilota akpọchikọlụfe ebe niile filling station niile dị n'Enugu mkpọchi iwu nwazi anwa nweta ndị na-agba n'ụzọ ewelufa prize wee melụọ gị arụ ịghọtago a na-ekwukwa Pastor Adeboye maka ịna-anya efu na adịka enwelu mpaghara melụ ife a na-akpọ evolution ịghọtago mee evolution onye ọbụla na-eme na nkọnkọ pastọ ndị Redeem wepụta wee si anyị biko unu abakwana mba na this administration unu welu nwayọ ka ewele ekpele wee na-esu ndị ịntanetị wee na-aba wee sị na enwekwa onye sisi welu ekpele na ndidi sobie mgbe ọ bụ Jonathan
this particular issue I don't want to believe it, but it is looking it is what it is. It's looking like it is what it is now because actually I don't want to use I said that because I don't want there's a word I wanted to say. I don't want to. Yes, I'm trying to be very polite because I had good upbringing and my parents taught me to respect my elders. So, but I would say it's hypocrisy, number one. Then number two, what has changed? So what is good for the Jonathan administration is not good for the Tinubu and Buhari administration. Is that what Pastor Adeboye is trying to tell us?
Since the administration
during Jonathan, I remember they did 1 million man march. For
Occupy Nigeria.
Yes.
Oh, that is
I remember
legendary.
all the protests in Melo. When shall protests, May protests from who the protests in Melo now? Nigeria. But now you are telling us that rather than go out and protest, we should pray. So why didn't you pray when it was?
So now this season,
how many years? I wasn't going to this show before now. Nigeria. Where if any name in Nigeria, or if for John name in Nigeria, by now I hear question and when bad thing question name in Nigeria. But like the more you pray, the more you pray, the more
this country.
They are from pole to pole. Here for churches. Monday deliverance, Tuesday prayer warrior, Wednesday, Thursday, like.
Bishop Cook asiga anyị kpee nwunye president si anyị kpee onye si ebe o si anyị kpee onwekwa na onye si yọtọkwanụ president eziokwu achọrọ m ịyọ akwa ifulu ndị first lady a ha ncha niile from nke isi ruo na nke ndị gọvanọ biko zianụ na unu meela anyị ebele ka mfụ ebe mmadụ dị ma na ịntanetị sisi yọkwuo ma ndị side chick biko zianụ unu meela anyị ebele unu yi ọfa ka va meelu mmadụ ebele ọkpọkwa obele ife ayọ ndị nwunye si tinye ndị side chick si onye ọbụla nyere anyị aka ka
balance
eziokwu ka nna agwa gị ụgbọ anyị na-ebu anyị eje na Anambra ebe ọ dị ka enwere nwa good news maka ọ dịkwa every once in a year enyefe anyị good news mana enwere nke na-eme na Anambra State the Anambra State State Executive Council nwere projects many of them ha megolo approve for 2025 ine na anya efu na Governor Soludo ka nọkwa n'ọchịchị anyị emesibekwe aka mebeghị election and the akanyi jine nanya or the kwakolu analo aya continue ya na alu ya naga. Mana the story in full is this. Among so many other projects, Anambra State Executive Council have decided to approve. They have approved about 927 million naira and some other change for the construction of a playground. That is Ogige Egwuregwu playground. Then volleyball, obukwa egwuregwu, obulu na sports, ma volleyball. Aga na amekwa tennis court, aga enwe tennis court eba, and other external works, ifugia, and structures. Now, this project is to be situated at Ekwulobia. That's the Ekwulobia Stadium Complex in Agwata local government of Anambra State. This project has been awarded to M.O.&C International Limited in Anambra State. First of all, Mayor.
Okay. First of all, what the figure again do? Can I examine that figure?
Mayor, that figure like 5
927
million. And the other change, 927 million.
This is almost 1 billion naira. Almost 1 billion naira, approximately 1 billion naira. 927 million, 927 plus million.
927.
KG Alu playground.
Yes.
Lower
tennis court.
Volleyball court.
Also, other external activities.
Now that's Ekwulobia complex. That stadium. If I upball stadium. Right. To be honest, this figure, this money now, if I remain Anambra, it is a good thing to develop that stadium. It's a good thing to bring places where we can have recreational activities or but that is too much. That is too much. 927 million naira. Do you know? Okay, there are places in Anambra as we speak now that is not motorable. Do you understand? There are places in Anambra where half of that money is Aluifa.
Yeah, 2025.
There are places. Yes, now. Half of Ega.
Half of Ega, yeah,
400 and something
million.
400 and either 470 something or 460 something million can build you a playground. Since Nayi decide to go to Enugu cash in Anambra. The other one, Alua or your Fun City. Now, mini stadium, If the project, all local governments can handle this kind of projects. An individual can even handle. Ifan Yuba on its own was building the Ifan Yuba Stadium, which is even way better than this complex.
Actually, I can merely approve
the
structure.
The field and the pitch and whatever. So all just eating all those. Now, the stadium you're talking about is not even FIFA standard.
I am
wasting. It is not even a stadium. It is just a pitch. Yeah, that money is too much.
It's too much.
It is too much.
In their defense, Anambra State Bundi Zero project.
Abroad, not brofa, this is not the rights.
Onya kanji wena say. Inanye fu no deka projects na Nigeria. Or the maybe if iye kwesili iji 2 naira welu. Eba energy welu 100 naira. Welu anya. You got all the only I got a gear to be the way
all the too much.
All the too much. How much are you estimating that this
at least half of that money should be able to do a good job there. Half of that money. And well done to the governor. Emma Ekwo nke emeta for opening up Ekwulobia. You understand?
Okay.
Ekwulobia is a very important. Ekwulobia will be a very important place in Anambra. From Ekwulobia, you can go to practically anywhere.
I have heard.
In Anambra. So well done. It's a very good one. He built the flyover. He built roads, and now he's building a mini the stadium, mini complex, mini, if you know one about here. I had he built a bus terminal there too, but I've not seen.
Munaga Bago this bus terminal, and you were not happy about
no, that one, Nika do not.
Governor Soludo has come under criticisms, right, about the quality of this project. Nke almost 1 billion well. I nanya no kwa standard EBA no koya no kanka ya de to a little bit.
I'm judging from the Fun City. I think he did well in Fun City, so this one might actually go well. But I have an issue with the figure. Yes, I have an issue with the figure. So yeah.
So this has nothing to do with or connect with Ifemelu with the Enugu State and Sujimoto. Eba as no the imago ego na eso what if na ndi guy ndi enyelo project abu MO&C International Limited maybe
most of these contractors bunde in Anambra State, so there's no how. Well, Soludo, one thing I must commend him for, even though it sometimes it comes to bite him, is that he uses local contractors. Yes. But like sometimes, these contractors, they try to cut costs and, they build substandard projects. But then again, the blame always lands at the governor's desk because he is supposed to do his due diligence with his team before handing out any project. He's the one who calls the shots. So even if a contractor messes up, he takes the blame. So yeah.
When other projects I looked at before and also 147 million in Kedobegulu for the rehabilitation of the asphaltic overlay of the international premises of the Anambra State Civil Service Commission.
100 and what?
147 million.
147 million. For international?
Oburo International. That's actually rehabilitated overlay of the internal premise of the Anambra State Civil Service Commission.
147
million. Okay. So I am the supply and installation of the furniture for the VIP lounge lot 2 in favor of Gold Coast Shelters Limited in the sum of 157,734 million, right? Yes, million.
For
VIP lot 2 in the favor of Gold Coast Shelters Limited.
In
installation of furniture for the VIP lounge.
Is it in the Anambra Airport?
Oburona Anambra Airport. Osina Nkad bo in favor of Gold Coast Shelters Limited.
No, like
where the project.
Yeah, but like where is the project?
This project is supposed to be situated at the International Airport, Umweri, Anambra State.
Airport. Okay, so the furnitures for VIP lounge.
VIP lounge in the airport. 147 million. 157 million and change.
Okay.
Okay. So the council has also approved the award of contracts for supply and installation of medical equipment at the General Hospital Enugu Otu Aguleri.
Okay, Enugu Otu. Okay.
Now Aguleri. At the cost of 346 and 563 million.
Okay, this one is the one I was looking forward to because I support this, right? Anything that has to do with health and education. That is where most of the state's budget should go to. Not most, but like, it is good because these are the places where we should be investing in. And it's a good one. That hospital, that general hospital, I heard that Enugu to Aguleri community has not had a general hospital in their community before.
Ever.
So this is the first one. So yeah, kudos to Governor Soludo.
Now this is where my own problem is with the whole arrangement, right? Ebaicholelu Park, exercise courts, volleyball, tennis court, and these things, and other external works that they didn't mention. asina nka bụ 900 and something million.
Oh, okay, hospital. I would 300.
Okay. If you know, back a kwulu. When I wonder, does it make sense that a recreational hub will cost that much? Maka na nke ụlọ ọgwụ about 300 and something million. When I wonder, my equipment so me ife niile ụlọ ọgwụ na-use iji wee bụrụ standard. Maka iji gwa gị eziokwu, anyị nwere enough hospitals na be anyị that are catering to our people. Maka Chineke, onwe ihe megide gị n'obodo anyị daa n'ọya ebele m na-emelụ gị n'ezinụlọ. It is the one thing that can make you poor in this country in 0.5 seconds. Ị na-eme onwere onye nọ na ndụ gị nọ n'ezinụlọ gị dara arụ terminally or nwee any serious health crisis, unu enwego financial problems that you cannot, deal with. So mụnwa na-asị ọ karọ mma ka Anambra State Government echekikwa n'ife ọzọ maka na ego etinyesilu iji wee rehabilitate gote furniture na ego etinyelu ụlọ ọgwụ adịa correspond kwana nna m ifukwa na VIP lounge bụ 157 million
furniture oche na table na
iwe weluzie hospital wee tinyelu hospital 346 million mana ebe anyị atụ tennis ball mee volleyball 970 plus millions of Nigerian naira. Ọ dịkwa mma anyị na-ekele ndị Anambra State Executive Council ka fasi wee mee ebele wee wepụta atụmatụ a. A na-achọ ịgụpụtasị ha ncha ka anyị maa ka anyị ga-ahọrọ ya bifo anyị apụwa. Number 7 of the contract that was awarded but the construction of suspended floor 6 classroom blocks. All right? Yes, floor 6 classroom blocks at Awada Secondary School in Obusi at the total contract sum of 174 million and change. Okay?
Education, nice.
Education, mana.
But one, how many blocks of classroom?
I said no, 6 classroom blocks. Then Awada. 174 million.
Okay.
354,681 naira.
Okay. This is classroom blocks. Okay.
Okay, get drop a maka if you just okay.
Okay na keke sikwe.
Na
oa de so so. Not okay.
Okay. Ofoku external works at the VIP lounge, that is lot 1 at the Chinua Achebe International Airport, Umueri, at the sum of 172 million. Ndi nwetalu contract nke bụ Jill, okay, Favor of Jill Association Limited. The good thing is that Anambra State Executive Council fabalumbo tinyesie afa companies ifanyelu.
Ndị Enugu okunu na anu nka Enugu. A na-eme ayaya ndị na-eme.
So afa companies ya desi ebe a ọ ga-abụ onwe ka enebe anya ife adịrọ ka o si adị onye anyị ya akpọ ọ dị mma ọ dị transparency a ka anyị nwa chọrọ ị na-afụ na be anyị ndị ọchịchị otu a mayor si wee onye ọbụla na-elobe anya a na-akụkwalụ gọvanọ ndị Abịa steeti aka na ọ na-eme ọfụma ndị Abịa na-ewenili ya aka nnọọ aka na-awụrụ gọvanọ Alex Oti maka ife ọma ọ na-eme n'Abịa dị 1 million. Ndị Abịa si na befe adịghị ọcha na ife ọma na-eme na befe and ha dị very happy. Tata anyị ama eji akwa arịrị wee kwagbuo onwe anyị. Tata bụ ụbọchị at least nke tata enyere anyị ọ bụrụ oke akwa ka anyị ebe anyị akụlụ ndị na-eme ọfụma aka. Ndị na-anakwa na-eme ọfụma n'elu na anya na ndị na-eme ọfụma ka onye ọbụla gbasibe mbọ ike ka be anyị dị mma. Asị nọ akụlụ ụlọ amala onye kpatara ya. Mayor, ka ife ya agwa ndị be anyị bifo anyị ana?
Onwere ife ọzọ nwere ikwu n'oge mana like we rightly said, transparency is the key in public service in governance. So like look at the way, even though we criticize some of the things listed about, but we know who to hold when these projects do not, go well. So transparency is key. I je ka ji lo be lafia. Tupu ya nabata ndị Green Enugu Initiative. Ha bịakọla anyị fe niile ha na-eme and their journey so far in making Enugu green.
We that support if fa na-eme.
We
support. Ngwanu ka ije life ya anyị na.
Ndewo na Enugu ụtụtụ ọma ebe ọ bụla iso na-anọnyere anyị na South East na mpaghara South East nọ n'Enugu ịnọ n'Ebonyi ịnọ n'Aba ịnọ n'Ụmụahịa ịnọ n'Owerri ebe ọ bụla ịnọ onye ije motos abatago n'Enugu ehenụ maka na ọkwụ na enwere ọkwa oche Solumu ka efu na anyị abịago na Holy Ghost Bus Terminal 2 n'Enugu State na 042 Coal City ebe ife niile na-eme ebe onye ije motos na-esi wee na-ewere ọwala anyị abịago nekwa anyị akwa ịfụrụ ụgbọala anyị dị sarasara ụgbọala anyị dị samsam ọ ga-eme kisho na ijeluru ebe ị na-eje n'udo ịnata n'udo maka na ụgbọala dị ndụ dị paramount ka ị wee nwee safety ka ị nwee security ifugia onye ije motos na-ọfa gị security na-ọfa gị safety na-ọfa gị comfort and luxury nya ịchọrọ ije holidays ka ị na-eje ịzụ afịa ịchọrọ ka ụmụ gị na school maọbụ ebe ọbụla ị na-eje ịchọrọ ije jafe ụmụnne gị ma ị na-ana obodo ịmatara ihe ọbụla ị na-eme bịa ka isoro onye ije motos wee jee njem gị anyị ga-eme kishon na ijelu na udo anyị ga-eme kishon na ebe ị na-eje na ijelulie na arụ isi ike enwerokwa ihe ga-eme gị ifugi anyị mekikwe shon na anyị tinyelu nwa security measures to make sure na ụgbọala anyị buluru gị ebe ị na-eje mekie shon na ịdị safe nke a bụ nke ndị Igbo nke a bụ nke ejirimara ndị Igbo ndị ọkwọ ụgbọala anyị that is our drivers inene anya fa na-ejike na njike ndị Igbo wite akwa ọcha ha na-eyi n'okpu mmemme njirimara ndị Igbo ịnekwa n'anya efu na ụgbọala anyị na-achakekwe na njirimara ndị Igbo ịnanya anyị ji nsibidi wee desịa ụmụ ife ọ bụrụ na ị na-aghọta asụsụ Igbo ị ga-aghọta na ife anyị minil bụ na nke a bụ nke anyị ya mere anyị ji wee na-akpọ ndị Igbo niile na-akpọkwa ụmụ Naijiria niile ka ị bịa sonyere onye ije ebe ọ bụla ị na-eje n'ala Igbo bịa ka ị soro onye ije motos onye ije anyị bụ oje mba daalụ.
If you want safety, if you want comfort, if you want to go to wherever your destination is, it is Onyeije. Onyeije moto. Kedu onye butere fa? Onyeije. Bokopi, say Bokopi.
Ndewo na Enugu ụtụtụ ọma ebe ọ bụla iso na-anọnyere anyị na South East na mpaghara South East nọ n'Enugu ịnọ n'Ebonyi ịnọ n'Aba ịnọ n'Ụmụahịa ịnọ n'Owerri ebe ọ bụla ịnọ onye ije motos abatago n'Enugu ehenụ maka na ọkwụ na enwere ọkwa oche Solumu ka efu na anyị abịago na Holy Ghost Bus Terminal 2 n'Enugu State na 042 Coal City ebe ife niile na-eme ebe onye ije motos na-esi wee na-ewere ọwala anyị abịago nekwa anyị akwa ịfụrụ ụgbọala anyị dị sarasara ụgbọala anyị dị samsam ọ ga-eme kisho na ijeluru ebe ị na-eje n'udo ịnata n'udo maka na ụgbọala dị ndụ dị paramount ka ị wee nwee safety ka ị nwee security ifugia onye ije motos na-ọfa gị security na-ọfa gị safety na-ọfa gị comfort and luxury nya ịchọrọ ije holidays ka ị na-eje ịzụ afịa ịchọrọ ka ụmụ gị na school maọbụ ebe ọbụla ị na-eje ịchọrọ ije jafe ụmụnne gị ma ị na-ana obodo ịmatara ihe ọbụla ị na-eme bịa ka isoro onye ije motos wee jee njem gị anyị ga-eme kishon na ijelu na udo anyị ga-eme kishon na ebe ị na-eje na ijelulie na arụ isi ike enwerokwa ihe ga-eme gị ifugi anyị mekikwe shon na anyị tinyelu nwa security measures to make sure na ụgbọala anyị buluru gị ebe ị na-eje mekie shon na ịdị safe nke a bụ nke ndị Igbo nke a bụ nke ejirimara ndị Igbo ndị ọkwọ ụgbọala anyị that is our drivers inene anya fa na-ejike na njike ndị Igbo wite akwa ọcha ha na-eyi n'okpu mmemme njirimara ndị Igbo ịnekwa n'anya efu na ụgbọala anyị na-achakekwe na njirimara ndị Igbo ịnanya anyị ji nsibidi wee desịa ụmụ ife ọ bụrụ na ị na-aghọta asụsụ Igbo ị ga-aghọta na ife anyị minil bụ na
Dalu onye ọma na-anọnyere anyị. Anyị nwere ezigbo ọbịa nọ na be anyị na-eguge Voice of the East na-efifia. Aka m bụkwa Nneọma na-ewetalugu ozi anyị nwere inye gị na Voice of the East. Anyị nwere akụkọ anyị chọrọ ịkọrọ gị. Jos nwaja ya akụkọ ka ị wee malụ ebe ọbịa m si wee bịa na-efifia. Enwere ofu nwa okorobịa nọ n'ime ụlọ ya ebe ọ nọ na-echele onwe ya ife ọ na-eche. O wee jee na ịntanet, social media ebe a na-akpọ X, wee jee tweet wee na-asị ụmụ ụwa Fabian nyere ya aka solie ka ya kụba mkpụrụ osisi n'Enugu steeti. Ya bụ tweet wee gaa ife a na-akpọ viral, and it started something very big, something known as the Green Enugu Initiative. And of course, I'm with the brains behind that outfit this afternoon. You're very welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
Please, can we get to know you?
If
I name na Voice of the maka anọ m ka ị na-akụ anyị ọnụ. If I name bụ ngili Igbo. Maka na anyị chọrọ ka ndị Igbo nọ ma n'ụlọ ma n'ilo ka fa nwee ike dị involved n'ife anyị na-eme.
Afọ m bụ Nnagozie Modensi. Yeah, popularly known as Virus. Most of my friends na akpọ Virus.
Ka isi wee nweta afa?
Afọ I bido kpọba m mgbe ndị about 13 years.
Gịnị ka ị mee?
But I was just secondary school lifestyle.
You're just great, notorious. But look at that, it has turned into something amazing. Now the tree thing, where did it come from? What were you thinking?
Initially, it started off when I came back to Enugu. About Enugu like 2 years ago or a year ago thereabouts, to set up a business here. So I told Enugu, I got primary school, secondary school, university in Enugu. After my service,
primary in KJ.
I got Charles primary school, yeah.
Hey, hey, Mama, them Majalu Chiazo.
I got Charles
Ah, nice.
Got command day secondary school.
Okay, full 042.
Yeah, then got wear suits.
Hi.
Yes.
Go, Imago.
Yeah. So after that, Mpo. So by the time I came back, that was fully. I came back to Enugu last 2 years thereabouts. Therefore, for so many of the trees, 8 of Nigeria around this ShopRite area.
I see.
So therefore, that now most of those trees in my PMP, I see school now, but some of my neighbors got Ekwulobia, and sometimes I got Ekwulobia primary school. They Afokwana by PMP. So in Abata, from all our every day, I got under trees. Yeah, you're gonna go under trees and upuisi and all those stuff. And that was what we were used to. But remember that now most of those trees are drowsy. So therefore that maybe, can the boss for development? Development can the boss for development? I've been able to OCC. Had that fear as development. I'm actually one of good to see OCC first. So I think no time can the boss for development. And being that I've been around and I've traveled outside the country severally, and I've seen how other countries and cities are. So normally, I know on Twitter, and I complain, government should do this, government should do that. You go several times, yeah, that now I like when guys are able to see OCC in Enugu. So, but I'm that not the possible an individual and our government initiate to know OCC individually. However, woman was on Instagram. Therefore, one, because I usually follow all these educative pages on Instagram. I'll be reading about stuff about Mama Bro. So I saw about this guy, something that silver in Brazil that planted about 50,000 trees.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, and then there's another couple as well that reforested an abandoned forest, also in Brazil.
Nice.
When I read about it, and in the area, individually, the government sometimes came in, like in the case of Da Silva, the government came in after 5 years of him planting.
5 years.
So, and I saw that, okay, how possible an individual he may have. Because before that time, I didn't think it was possible. You know how our country is, they feel him like, problem.
Okay.
So, when for the thing, Instagram, just screenshots or this thing, on Twitter, I was like, who would like to do this thing with me in Enugu, right? Then some of my friends, I call them friends now, but initially they were volunteers.
They just...
Yes, they said, I will be part of it, I'll be part of it.
Just from the tweet
Just from the Twitter, yeah. The first day, I got about 15 volunteers, yeah?
From the tweet?
Yes,
still?
the first day.
Wow.
I had to create a WhatsApp account.
Okay.
A WhatsApp group. Yeah. So I had the other 15 people. Within 2 days, we were about 20, right? So some of the people who know about, like this guy hosts to Igbo Hangout, Kezafia, Igbo Lagos Hangout.
That is Favor Buji.
Yeah, yes. So he was the one that said, no need for plenty talks. Let's start acting. Do you understand? So, because me, I've not done something like that before, but his experience.
Well experienced with this kind of stuff.
So he said, let's start acting. No need for us to have plenty meetings or plenty talks. When are we, like, let's do this thing next week.
He was also one of your volunteers.
Yeah, he was one of my volunteers. He was one that gave us the momentum we needed. I see, let's start acting. Nze, I don't know if you know Nzemili.
Nzemili, yes.
He's also on Twitter. He has influence as well on Twitter. He seconded it. I was like, let's do this thing, and pick a date. Not anything further than a week. You feel me? So within that 1 week now, I started reaching out to friends. I reached out to Bitcoin Chief, right? He gave us some money, and that money, started everything. Because when you're like a huge sum, so in the matter of seeing that now we've gotten this huge sum of money.
Got involved.
Do you understand? Another of my friends, Wright, the CEO of Power Evolution, he also gave us money. Before you know it, we started raising money. It was easy for other people to
join.
Start throwing in their little amounts. Before you know it, we got the first outing we went. This was a week. I think 25th July.
Last year.
No, this year.
This year?
Yeah, 25th July of this year. Within a week, right, we raised enough money and we bought about 300 trees.
Bought?
Yes, and a year ago. Okay. And this Eban Notona, when didn't see along Eban Notona. So Eban I got that first time. No experience, no nothing. We came, we bought about 300 trees. And from the conversation, we engaged people on Twitter and then in the group. I think Eba gave Ebido. Ebeni they are the most. They mentioned Abani Road. You feel me? So we now said, okay, let's start with Abani Road. We now planted from the beginning of Abani Road, which is Ebeko Campo Jedebe. Ko Campo Enugu Jedebe. Ebideba Ekoro Yaru Kiana. That barracks, then Gariki.
Na Gariki, yes.
Yes. We planted 300 trees by the sides. The
entire 300 went to Abani.
Yes.
Okay.
So the next week, we planted 120 trees, Nagariki. From after that, barracks, Benzia Express, like this. I got 120 trees around that place. Now, the upper week, we now planted, we now picked 6th Avenue. Yeah, we picked 6th Avenue. Because 350 trees now 6th Avenue. But the thing when I was in 6th Avenue in the middle, because I was in 6th Avenue, the both sides.
The tad and stuff.
Yeah,
all the
shops.
Spaces, shops. I can imagine.
So
yes.
I'm on by the side. So for the first time, we had to consider the roads. Do you understand? But here I go na those na it was about road I call step 3. Nkogaboto onye very big shade.
Yeah, but nnukwu olu ka unu do.
So step 3 na enye huge shade. Our aim with Abani road buka enwe shade. So but we can't do that na 6th Avenue being that na shops is about. So I there cause palm tree and palm Queen's palm and King's palm. So can roots I draw that strong, it may be anything. So I cause here in the middle of the road. So that one quite I raise it because in each outing I raise funds. Okay. So we raise funds. I reached out to a couple of friends. Some guys on Twitter, Captain Arenze, Gadafia, Rauchko Melie, Nnamdi Amo.
My mutuals. I'm very proud. I'm like a distant aunt right now. This is very proud of these people. Favor Muji Mpa, Captain Irene, very wonderful people. Zemili as well. Yes. I'm very glad. I mean, you have a team of very strong, resilient Igbo men standing with
some
you.
of them are body like Iken
they don't have to be man. If any Igbo na so any pieces, but so oburana no ndi Igbo na emie.
It was surprising. Even at some point, I even saw a Yoruba name because
because I will still ask you because I'm about to. first of all, what are the challenges? Because I'm sure Otisiaki also there must have been some blocks.
Yeah, the first day, because I and the Canada MOT, oh God, I had problems with them. That aside, again, moving the plants. Even I have planned all of that now. We have
logistics.
Yeah, you feel me? So it was crazy. So many of those plants. My car right now is still very messed up. Mechanic anyways. Then some of my friends they put motor because the guys in the pickup guys got transport because I think wrong kind of budget. I seen it transport was 20,000 for each trip.
And that's about 300, you said.
Yeah.
At each time.
The first time. So the guys know supposed to get each time 100. No man for 100. So now I got 3 trips. So like that time, that 3 times got 60,000. So I wouldn't have that. We didn't have that money. So he went up there first time. So I use motor, our own personal cars, now transported the whole thing.
Now this brings me to the question of sponsorship and collaborations. Whom are you hoping would get involved in this? Because I want to say the government, but I know that most people, they make things like this, might not want the government to join. But I want you to tell us.
You know, in our group, at some point, after the first and second outing, right? Okay, after the first outing, yes, first and second outing, I call Abani Road, call Gariki.
Right.
Some people suggested that Kaimaro, not because that we want support or we are looking for their support, but Kaimaro plans because every city, the government plans for
the city, of
right?
course.
So I think let's reach out so that let it not be that whatever we are doing will clash with whatever plans they have. So we reached out to the Commissioner for Environment and he welcomed us.
Okay.
You know, he was so happy and so excited about it. He was very supportive.
Okay.
You know, he gave us the approval to continue. But there's a suggestion of trees to plant. He mentioned something like Melina is going extinct. So, and Enugu, a city will be much of Melina.
Oh,
right?
I remember.
Yeah,
when I was, much younger, the town was filled with that thing.
Yeah, so I said, that would be fine. You know, he suggested a couple of things. How do you that now? Enugu State government were plans for New Heaven. So for now, we are not going.
New Heaven.
We are not going towards New Heaven because Enugu State government have plans. Other cars on the middle of New Heaven, the Bibu.
Oh yes.
So, yeah, so I think they want to turn into a park.
I think and some things in Peter Banacho, he said, I get it.
So it made sense that we reached out to them. So why things to do and things not to do. So how they work the kind of things I got community to also. Now maybe the infrastructure is already. So we work with them and then because 6th Avenue, August break, right? We reached out to them again. Henya Tanka.
Oh, that is great.
Yes.
That is from the government. Yes. That is amazing news.
So why that now? Anytime I just they'll give us the tanker and water to do it.
This is fantastic.
Ministry or Commissioner for Environment, yes.
Fantastic.
His
I like it.
Support, yes.
Now, there was a question in my head about the Melina trees. I remember that they are really big.
Yeah.
Right? Are you saying that roots we had rather strong?
Melina I got killed by the side.
By the side.
Okay,
in fact, we used to use a okuchi bottle, mineral. The girls, and then we scratch the tree because it had, like salad or something. We used to play a lot with it. So I remember so
Melina dogoyaro.
Okay.
Trees like that.
By
the side of the road, So
this is very, very smart.
Yeah.
And kind, because it's kind. Having trees, the dogoyaro tree is very healthy. People use it for a lot of, health reasons. Yes. So this is amazing. Now, what is the future of the Green Enugu initiative?
So far, for now, we've ended our planting for the season, right? Okay. We've ended our planting for the year because we're about to hit the dry season. Although we have 2 months of rain, but those 2 months of rain now, we water the places we've already planted. So for us not to gamble it, We'll wait till March next year. We'll now continue.
The planting.
Yeah, we'll continue the planting.
Okay.
But the next place we want to face is Okpara Avenue.
Okpara Avenue
Is from
Ogui
Holy
Road.
Ghost. No,
Oh, you've done Ogui Road.
Yeah, we already done Ogui Road. We planted 450 trees in Ogui Road.
450.
Yes, 450 trees, and we don't give too much space. Close, because what we want to achieve is shade and greenery. So Oboro just Kabukanak or trees. We want to, and the more trees I plant, although that some of them are not going to survive, so the more we plant.
Oh, really?
Yeah, most of them are not going to survive.
Okay, you already factored this one in.
Yes, so the more we plant, we have a larger scale of those that are going to survive. Okay. You feel me? So I got 450 trees. Like here I could go so far, then 1,220 trees.
Wonderful.
Yeah, so far. And
okay, so now it's Okpara Avenue.
Okpara Avenue by March.
You're facing by March.
By March, we'll start planting Okpara Avenue.
So when are these trees supposed to start?
Yeah,
when
2 years, 3 years.
In 2-3 years.
Yeah, and we're planting white trees. Anyway, white trees, but trees that doesn't need much nurturing.
Okay, they can survive on their own.
Just a little rain, a little watering. It doesn't need much. It will survive. Most of those. That's why we planted a lot of. People keep asking us why are you planting that palm, king's palm and queen's palm.
Okay.
We planted most of. When I got EJ go to the thing, and I do those guys, the professionals, the people that have been in the business for a while. Which one got survived the most? So most times they mention that palm, that queen's palm and king's palm.
So the wild palm on Kena
I
know that one.
It's just for beautification and then shade.
Yes, the ones that hotels use most times.
Yes.
Okay.
So Yaokayako mostly is going to survive. We are hoping that at least 80% of it will survive.
80% will survive.
In 3
so
years.
Now that it's not raining,
yeah,
provisions for watering them are in place. And you said the Enugu state government, the Ministry of Environment is taking care of this. Wonderful news. Now, do you think that this initiative might get to affect other states now?
Yeah, like yesterday, I posted our pictures from our Saturday outing yesterday, and then in the Abia, they've already started. They saw one of them quoted the tweet and said, "Green Abia, anyone?" So a couple of people said, "Yes, I'm interested."
I'm interested. I'm interested.
So Anambra is also warming up. I've seen Anambra people mention it a couple of times.
Nzemili will not let it sleep. So yes, I think it's going to happen.
Anambra is going to, join in very soon. Then Ndi Imo, so Ndi Imo be high equal anything about it when they're buying so far, but Ndi Imo who go some things. They are kicking off already. They're already organizing themselves. Okay. Because Iman and Pabo in Abia State.
I know.
So they're already organizing themselves.
That is very good.
And Anambra, I think they're going to organize themselves very soon.
I agree.
So, and it's very necessary because.
So how can one become, a member of the Enugu Green Initiative? You want to join these people?
So we always anybody change. Inviting the link to the WhatsApp group publicly, but a lot of people are messy. The group became kind of toxic. So how to remove it and then remove a couple of people that came to come and cause problem. So now how we do it is if you indicate interest and we see that you are serious, we'll send you a link, you join. It's open for everybody because
but you have to select the people.
Because the days we go for outing, it's not everybody bigger day. All Saturdays kind of okay. So we didn't get much occasion. So the more people we have as volunteers, other than they are busy this week, so other people will not be busy. So like the thing they make people and we turn out constantly. We have about 61 volunteers now. 61. Yes.
But you would like to have more.
Yeah.
All right, this is your call. Who do you want to be involved in this? Who are you calling? Agencies, individuals?
Our major issue right now is the funding because we have to buy these seedlings. We have to buy the seedlings. I started this thing off with people that I know directly, reaching out to them and them funding it. But onye go first time, go second. Onye problems in care. Onye problems in care. You want to go so. Onye go first time, go second time. You could at that time.
This guy.
You want to go so yeah. So although that I need to go some of my friends that now with some of these agencies, so they are guiding us, they are giving us advice on how to do it. So now I'm a team of people trying to figure out a way to reach out to organizations, companies, because I realized that now anyway, I'm not usually interested in politics, but I know now. We say that now some companies need to offset their
civic responsibilities.
Carbon footprint. So now that team now, they are drafting a way to reach out to these people to tell them, bring in money and we will do this thing in your name so that you can record it and send it to whoever to show that you've done this
You're
thing.
trying.
Yeah, to offset your own carbon footprint. So that's what we are on right now.
And education, I like it, coming together and coming up with this, because truly some of these industries around here and corporations, they do owe us some corporate civic responsibility. So Obuluna Fire China in initiatives like this.
And it doesn't even cost much, like, it doesn't cost much. These trees, some of them are just, although that now, we are looking at this, I actually call some fruits, just ornamental trees. I actually condemn like mango, guava, orange.
This environment.
Yeah, they will do fine.
Without obstructing movement and stuff.
They will do fine. So those ones are a bit more expensive than the ornamental trees,
Enwelu ukwu osisi ma dị afụzi n'Enugu nke a na-akpọ fruit. Anya mara afa that.
The
umbrella tree.
Yeah.
Whatever happened to it? On ka ya akunwu n'ụzọ.
Yeah, ya akunwu n'ụzọ. Initially mgbe bido, anyị na-achọ ndị because our main aim is shade.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Our main aim is shade. So I bido with ndị ọ ga-abụ within 3 to 5 years, we will go shade down.
Okay.
And step 3, yana flame in the forest. These two, they were recommended that na honey to us also. So I do with step 3s. But now I got step 3. We can in between them tier all these fruits like mango, guava, pear, so that they can see something.
I don't blame you. You lived in the good Enugu, and I did too. If you know, you know. All right, this is where we will have to end it this afternoon. Mana, thank you so much for coming,
All
right?
All right.
It's amazing having you in the house. Please look out for the Enugu Green Initiative, right? The Green Enugu Initiative, I beg your pardon. We're all over the social media. I know now TikTok, Instagram, X. You just look at it and send them a link and be a part of making it beautiful and great. Thank you so much for coming, Michael. I appreciate it. All right.
Ndewo na Enugu ụtụtụ ọma ebe ọbụla iso na-anọnyere anyị na South East na mpaghara South East nọ n'Enugu, ịnọ n'Ebonyi, ịnọ n'Aba, ịnọ n'Ụmụahịa, ịnọ n'Owerri, ebe ọbụla ịnọ onye ije motos abatago n'Enugu hello maka n'ọkwụ na-ana enwere ọkwa oche solumu ka efu na anyị abịago na Holy Ghost Bus Terminal 2 n'Enugu State na 042 Coal City ebe ife niile na-eme ebe onye ije motos na-esi wee na-ewere ọwala anyị abịago nekwa anyị akwa ịfụrụ ụgbọala anyị dị sarasara ụgbọala anyị dị samsam ọ ga-eme ekishọ na ijelulu ebe ị na-eje n'udo ịnata n'udo maka na ụgbọala dị ndụ dị paramount ka ị wee nwee safety ka ị nwee security ifu gị onye ije motos na offer gị security na offer gị safety na offer gị comfort and luxury nya ịchọrọ ije holidays ka ị na-eje ịzụ afịa ịchọrọ ka ụmụ gị na school ma ọ bụ ebe ọbụla ị na-eje ịchọrọ ije jafe ụmụnne gị ma ị na-ana obodo ịmatara ihe ọbụla ị na-eme bịa ka ị soro onye ije motos wee jee njem gị anyị ga-eme kishon ijelu na udo anyị ga-eme kishon na ebe ị na-eje na ijelulie na arụ isi ike enwerokwa ihe ga-eme gị ifu gị anyị mekikwe sure na anyị tinyelu nwa security measures to make sure na ụgbọala anyị buluru gị ebe ị na-eje mekie sure na ịdị safe nke a bụ nke ndị Igbo nke a bụ nke jirimara ndị Igbo ndị ọkwọ ụgbọala anyị that is our drivers inene anya fa na-ejike na njike ndị Igbo wite akwa ọcha ha na-eyi n'okpu mmemme njirimara ndị Igbo inekwa n'anya efu na ụgbọala anyị